everyone, welcome back to my Sichuan kitchen. It is almost sweater weather here. How about yours? Today we're going to make a very spicy and tasty dish called Sichuan Chicken or 辣子鸡 in Chinese. This will be a great one for having dinner with friends, and you can make huge amounts of this dish if you want it. And trust me, everyone will love it. Now let's get started. Here are the main ingredients for Sichuan chicken. Chicken legs or thighs, dried chili pepper, Sichuan peppercorn, garlic, ginger, and green onion. First, let's prepare the chicken. Debone the chicken legs and cut the meat into small chunks. Tapping the meat with knife before chopping helps tenderize the meat. Now let's season the meat with white pepper, cooking wine, salt, soy sauce, and cornstarch. Mix it all up and top it with some oil. Leave the meat to marinate for 15 to 20 minutes. Next, we will prepare the chilies. Simply cut chilies into small pieces with a pair of scissors. Then let's cut green onion into 1-inch pieces. Then slice the garlic and ginger. Now it's time to fry the chicken. Add 1 to 2 cups of oil into a pot. Test to see if bubbles comes out when putting the chopsticks in the oil. If they do, that means the oil is hot enough. Add chicken pieces into the oil. Stir the chicken from time to time to make sure they aren't sticking to each other. When the chicken turns slightly brown on the surface, take it out with a strainer. Then we will fry the chicken a second time to make it really crispy on the outside. Chicken is all prepared and now we are ready for the wok. Add 2 tablespoons of oil in the wok, put Sichuan peppercorn in, and add the chilies. Gently stir fry. Watch the heat if the wok smokes too much, or the chili starts to turn black. If so, lower the heat and immediately remove the wok to make sure the chilies aren't burnt. Now add fried chicken pieces. Keep stirring. Add garlic and ginger to the mix. Season with cooking wine, soy sauce, and sugar. You can also add some sesame oil to this dish to make it more fragrant. Lastly, let's add green onion. Now it's time to serve your Sichuan chicken. With tons of chilies and Sichuan peppercorn. The chicken is slightly crispy on the outside and very tender on the inside. It is a great dish to share with family and friends, and you can make a lot of it if you want it. Thanks so much for watching my video. Please hit the like button if you do like this video. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on the next amazing Sichuan dish for your home cooking. I'll see you next time.